Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a lovely two-story turnkey home for sale. It is ready for an investor or someone with a large family. It is located at Pointciana Crescent, Portland. The building has 3 apartments, fully equipped with own amenities. The property has secure income earning potential, as 2 apartments are currently tenanted, with the other unit currently vacated. Call today for your appointment to view and make an offer. Owners are eager to sell as they have migrated. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 50 million or US $324,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.